So how to log in with Wrapped for Instagram. So get your Instagram Wrapped. So you're interested in app, let's just open it up and then you can just tap connect with Instagram. And then yeah, here you will see how it works and then just tap continue. Wrapped uses complex math and some clever assumptions to give you the best estimates on your 2023 Instagram activity. This is supposed to be fun. Is it safe? Yes, we built Instagram Wrapped with a 100% privacy first approach. All data analysis happens on your device and is never accessed, stored, or viewed by the team. You can just continue and then you need to open up your Instagram account and then just log in, like enter your details and log in with your Instagram credentials to this app. And then you can see your Wrapped being generated. You spend how many hours on Instagram? That's equivalent to 16 days, 2 weeks. I'm actually not sure. You have 19 profile views. This is just like a very small account I have. 0 users muted your stories. Your friends in 2023. 5 users blocked you. Wow, okay, didn't know that. And then there's like 2 followers. Expose your 2 screenshots of your posts. Reveal all secrets. So there is some, I don't know what that is, but yeah, then you just have that. And then yeah, that's how you just slide through it. And then if you want, you can reveal more info.